Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. Good morning to everyone. And in this video, we will be talking about iOS 14.2, that is the developer beta version 2. So, yesterday, Apple released that developer beta for the developers. But in this video, I'll show you how you can download the developer beta 2 on your iPhone. Especially I am looking forward to the iPhone SE. This is the first generation iPhone SE, and as you can see, this is the iPhone SE which is running iOS 14. And last video I showed you how to install and what are the features we are getting. So that video is already there in the channel. If you have not watched that video, then definitely you can check it out. So in this video, let's talk about iOS 14.2. And if we'll go to settings here, if we'll go to general and about, you can see its software version is 14.0. and how to update this one, because after updating to iOS 14, if you have removed that profile, beta profile, then you can do one simple thing. I'll tell you very simple steps which you can follow and you can download the beta profile. Go to settings and check if the profile is there or not. If the profile will be there, then definitely we will be seeing here near or down to the VPN. Here you can see I don't have the profile because I removed that one. So what you can do, you can go to the browser, preferably use the Safari browser, and you can go to this website betaprofiles.com. and if you go here, okay, let me load it one more time, and as you can see, this is the beta profile website. So if we'll go here, you can see here iOS 14 download option is there. So once you download this one, it will ask you to access, means you want to download this or not. You should press allow, and the profile is downloaded now. So now you'll go to the settings. You can see this profile is here. So if you'll click on this profile, you can see this beta profile, beta 14 beta profile, iOS 14 beta profile is there. So you have to install this one. Just try to install. And it's already installed now. So one restart required it's asking, so I'll restart the phone and we'll wait for the phone to reboot. Okay, the phone is now ready. So I'll put the password over here, and if we'll go to settings and we'll go to general and software update. Now you can see it will show the 14.2 is available now. So the iOS 14 developer beta 2 is there. So the size is 662 MB. So I'll try to install this one, and that's it for this video, guys. So this is a quick video to update you how you can download the beta profile 2 for iOS 14. Thanks for watching, and if you have any queries, then do let me know in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.